Got it here another pretty big box of knives. So let's see what I got here. I think this is gonna be Vicious Circle by Mantis and JJ Hug, and I got like 8 of them. They all go into Arizona Custom Knives. This website, I'll put links in the description. That's how you spell it. So yeah, a lot of them are gonna be listed over there. And as you can see, this is black pearl polish as well. These things are so nice and they sell fast. So they sold out. I bought like 8 more last ones. I'm gonna flip them on Arizona Custom Knives. So I got it here, M. Night Boyan, or how do you pronounce it? I forgot it. This right here, the name before pattern, what's make it so special. On the other side, nothing. So you see there's no patent pending. That makes it like $800 knife, and sometimes they even go up in value because people do buy them and use them, so there'll be less and less of them. That's the name, what's make it expensive. Everybody wants that one exact before patent. And obviously the better quality you have, the better in luck you are. Also, there should be a knife in here. Knife is obviously missing, and the coolest part over here, you want to always check if sharpening store in a new quality or not. So that's cool. Military vintage stuff. Okay, there is a knife. You don't see every day. Look at that. That's like a push dagger knife, but it has like a whole bunch of holes. This way or this way. Kind of weird. Or this way. Looks like it reminds me of scissors. I don't know, how would you hold it? So definitely very unique knife. Flat on that edge and wavy on that side. Then I got more colors of Demka 20.5. Those are the smaller kind. And let me just show you one. This one like black. Super unique, that's for sure. So yeah. These things are going up in value like hard. Every 4 to 6 months seems like going up $10. So I'm trying to grab myself a few before they go too expensive. Then I have another Demko over here. So yeah, just different color. And another one. Those are really awesome. There's a Microtech, Ultratech SL. That's beautiful, isn't it? I see those sell for $550. Pretty collectible knife right here. They sell out pretty fast. There's a multi-tools. We'll put them to the test. Bunch of cheap CRT knives over here. Let's look at it. Oh yeah. I need a bottle opener and a wine opener. I figure why not get it from CRT. We'll put it to the test. And they're pretty affordable too. Might as well get it by a good brand. Okay, we have another one. Oh cool, this is like a carabiner CRT. We'll put them to the test, do full review. Okay, what's in that? Benchmark. Not super expensive knives, that's for sure. Oh yeah, you know what? This is a belt knife. You put it on any belt that you want. Ooh, this one is special. You know, my daughter's name is Alice. So like Alice in the Wonderland. And this right here is a knife by Ziba. And there you go, it's a themed Alice in the Wonderland. That's cool. If you like that movie, or your name is Alice, that's a knife for you. Don't you guys think this is nice? Ooh, Ziba knives are really cool. Okay, a couple more things. Looks like a Spyderco sharpening tool. And a couple more knives over here. What is this? Artist cutlery. fancy box. I think this is made in China. Yep. You know what? That's a tool. That's a pretty cool tool, like a butterfly tool, but also automatic. You see? We'll put it to the test in the future. This is pretty unique gadget. You see, even this kind of Chinese companies make very unique stuff sometimes. And the last one, that one is cool. Brian Tai. And the signature, I think this one is assisted. And there's a liner lock. Why is it not flying out all the way? Gotta give it a little flick, seems to be. There you go. You know what? I have issue pushing right here too much. I love unboxing knives. I do collect quite a few of them. Some of them I do end up trading and let them go.